Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Our National Adventure, and today we're going to do something a little bit new. We thought we'd bring the adventure home with us. We're reached out to right now by this company called Pinecone, and they offered to send us its outdoor explorer kit for us to try out. We're going to go ahead and unleash this thing in our backyard, put it on the kids, and see what it's all about.
Hang out, and we get to be the first ones to even try it. Lily has binoculars. I see one up there. I really like the whistle. I see trees.
Trees? Do you see anything else in the trees?
Leaves. Leaves. My favorite pet board is red.
What's his name?
Pickard.
Are you playing I Spy? I Spy with my little eye. Chloe.
Let's look at the compass. Take my whistle out.
There's a compass on the whistle. And so which way would be north?
That way.
That's right.
East is that way. West is that way, and east is that way.
South is that way.
And if you want to go southwest, then you go straight.
You go straight that way.
And if you want to go to northeast, you go behind me.
Very good. You're a good orienteer. Yeah. So one of my goals for the kids is we have this area of the backyard that has so many pine cones in it that have fallen recently from the pine trees that we have here. So I'm gonna get them to clean it up. And what better way to get your kids to do something than to make a game out of it? So we're gonna start what we're calling a series of the backyard adventures.
So right now we're going to do like a pine cone search. We're gonna do a pine cone search because here's a pine cone. And we're gonna start it now. Ow, that actually hurt. 2 pine cones.
Wow, we're gonna have to do a lot more than that. All right, let's get going. I'm gonna set up the game and I'm gonna set up the rules, okay?
Okay.
So the rules are simple. The first person to fill up the most pine cones wins. They've got some buckets and a big, huge box to fill up. Carolina, how many did you get?
1, 2. I got 23.
Do you think you won?
Yes.
The real winner is Mom and Dad because pine cones are being picked up in the backyard.
10, 11.
Check out the description box to find the link to the product and make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel. We will see you on the next adventure.